Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can make a simple grilled cheese sandwich. All you need is 2 pieces of bread, some cheese, and butter. However, I will be using this garlic butter because garlic butter just makes it taste a lot better. If you have pretty hard butter that isn't super easy to spread, I just toss it into the microwave for like 10 to 15 seconds. And then you want to spread it on the bread like this. Try to make it as even as you possibly can. Then you want to grab your pan and put it with the butter side down like so. Then you want to add some cheese. Then you want to put both of the cheeses on the bread like that, or you could use just one piece of cheese, or you could use 2 different types. And if you want to, you could add some sort of meat product on the sandwich, such as ground turkey or some shredded up chicken. Alright, now once it's on the stove, you want to turn it on, and you want to make sure it's on low heat. And you also want to put a lid on it, just like that. Now this can take a little bit to cook. You just gotta wait and check on it, and check on the bread and periodically, just to make sure that it's at the right amount of toastiness, I suppose. I always like mine at a nice golden brown. I'd say once the bread is about there, it should be good. Of course, you can transfer it over to the plate and cut it. And there we go. Yummy.